How to implement your Google Tag Manager code snippet onto your WordPress site so you can track interactions and events via GA4. That's what we're going to talk about now. Let's dive right into it. So, as you can see, this is our dashboard, like our WordPress admin section. We're going to go to the appearance section here, going to go to theme file editor, and then we are going to look for the header section, header PHP, where we will need to place the code. So let's just go back to our GTM account. In our GTM account, you can see this line up here saying this with this number here. You can go into here, click onto this, and you will see the installation instructions for GTM container codes onto your website. So first of all, it says paste this code as high in the head of the page as possible. That's what we are going to do. We're going to copy this. We're going to go back to our theme file editor, and we are going to paste this code as high up in the head section as possible. We could potentially even paste it up here in this section here, right after the head section, but common practice is to paste it after the meta titles of your website. There will be a minimalistic reduction in page load speed, which is not even worthwhile talking, I guess. But you can test it. Maybe your website behaves differently, but I've seen this always being placed after the meta section, like 98% of the time. Then, as a next step, what we have to do is let's go back to the GTM snippets. We have to go and look at the body tag. We have to copy this code as well, and we have to paste it in the body section of our website. This is here, body section here. So we're going to paste it right after this. Then we are going to update the file. Oops, did I actually share this? So the body section is here. I pasted it into the body section here, below here. So this was the head section up here. This is the body section. We're going to paste it here. I updated the file already. So in essence, if we go to our source code now of the page, and I already loaded it before, and look at this file here at the source code and search for Google Tag Manager, we should see this code after the head section of our website. And let's look at the body section. We got our body section down here, and here we got the rest of the Google Tag Manager no script code. And that's basically all you need to do. We're done with that. We have placed our GTM container code on our WordPress site. I hope that was insightful and you enjoyed it, and till next time.